हेलो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि डिफरेंस बिटवीन द डबल सॉल्ट्स एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड। डबल सॉल्ट एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड। Both double salt and complex compound is the mixture of two or more than two stable compounds. When two or more than two stable compounds combine together and maintain its individual properties, then it is called as double salt. When two or more than two compounds when two or more than two stable compounds mix together and loses its independent existence, then it's called as complex compound. Example of double salt. Example, carnallite. Carnallite has a formula KCl dot MgCl2 dot 6H2O. KCl dot MgCl2 dot 6H2. It is a combination of KCl and MgCl2, two different stable compound, potassium chloride and Mg magnesium chloride. Likewise, one more example, Mohs salt. In the Mohs salt, it is a formula FeSO4 ferrous sulfate dot ammonium sulfate dot 6H2. Likewise, one more compound, potash alum. Potash alum has a formula KAl K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 3 times dot 24H2. All these three, first one carnallite is a combination of KCl and MgCl2, two different stable compound. In the second one, ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate. Third, potassium sulfate and aluminium sulfate, potash alum. Whenever two or more than two different compounds or salt combine together and maintain its independent existence after the formation of third compound is called as double salt. But here if we take the example K3FeCN6, here it is mainly the complex of FeCN6 3 भी कह सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Iron and cyanide. Here KCN combined with FeCl3 to give this kind of complex compound. Here potassium cyanide and ferrous cyanide is combined. 3 mole of KCN combined with FeCN 3 times to gives K3FeCN6. So it is a combination of potassium cyanide and ferrous cyanide. We know that KCN can break down into K plus and Cn minus. and this is get break down into Fe3 plus 3Cn minus. Now, whenever we study the complex compound and double salt, then one more thing, complex compound double salt, the on dissolution with water, it gives iron, it gives ions of its original salt and show its independent existence. उसका इंडिपेंडेंट एग्जिस्टेंस और प्रॉपर्टी जो कुछ भी होगी वो शो करेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल K2SO4.Al2SO4 3 times .24H2O, तो उसके अंदर कौन से दो आयंस है? K2SO4 का ब्रेकडाउन करेंगे तो 2K प्लस SO4 2 माइनस, K प्लस की भी प्रॉपर्टी दिखने मिलेगी आपको, सल्फेट माइनस का भी दिखेगा. Al2SO4 3 तो 2Al3 प्लस एंड 3SO4 2 माइनस. सो एल्यूमिनियम ऑफ सल्फेट सबकी प्रॉपर्टी आप चेक कर सकते थे बाय डूइंग द केमिकल टेस्ट फॉर द पोटेशियम, सल्फेट और एल्यूमिनियम. ऑल दिस आयंस कैन exit independently and it can be observed on dissolution with water. But on the other side, if we dissolve the complex compound like K3FeCN6 on dissolution with water, it does not give dissociated into its original ions and loses its independent existence. Independent existence शो करेगा नहीं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल FeCN6 3 माइनस का डिसोसिएशन Fe3 प्लस 6Cn माइनस में होगा नहीं. सही है. सो इन दिस वे डबल सॉल्ट्स एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड आर completely differ from each other. Please follow this video to learn in detail about the double salts and complex compound. Double salt and complex compound with their example. In the next video, we will discuss more on the various part of the complex compound and the definition based on that.